welcome back everyone. Our friend Joseph here has asked us if it is possible to fill one or more text box or combo box, just by selecting a name in the first combo box. So this is fairly, easy to accomplish. So I'm just gonna do a quick video just to show you how you can do that. Okay. So here I have an Excel file, and this is the data that we use for our normal demos here in this VBA to Z channel. So first thing, I'm gonna quickly create a new user form. So just try to keep it simple as possible. So first I'm gonna add a combo box that will have a name in it, and then as soon as the name is selected, we'll try to fill in some information just below that. Okay, so let's say that I have I'm just Control C and Control V, just copying and pasting them. Okay, so we'll just add a label here. We'll just call this name, copy and paste this, realign. I'll just call this company, or maybe email address. Okay, so first we'll try to see how it looks like. Let me just remove this. Once you can add one, the email address here, you can accomplish the same for others as well. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. I'll call this one as I'll call this address, so that we don't have to retype the whole thing. Okay, so this is what we have right now. So if you want to rename your combo box or the objects, you just go down here and just change the name here. For now I'm just gonna keep it as it is, so that you can follow along. Okay, so to go to the code, you can just go and right click on the user form and go to view code, or you can just press F7 from your keyboard. Okay, so behind this, this is the event that is associated with when you click the user form. We don't want anything to run when you click on user form, so I'll just go here and select initialize. So basically this code, this is where the code will run as soon as you load the user form. So as soon as this is loaded, I want all this combo box to be filled up first. Okay, so first I'll just add single item just to show you how easy it is. Me.combo box 1.add item. So within the quotation you'll say hello world, for example. So if this is basically the syntax to add item to the combo box. Okay, so combo box 1 is the name of the combo box. Okay, and me is the user form basically, and this is the string I want to add to my user combo box. So I'm gonna press run or F5, and then you'll see hello world is there. Okay, so similarly we're gonna add multiple items instead of hello world, so which is not what we want. So I'll try to loop in through from row number till 27. No, actually 28, sorry, that's a serial number. 28 is row number, so I'll say dim I as long, that's our variable. And I'll say for I is equal to row number 2 till 28, and then I'll say the next. So anything that comes between this loop is gonna run. Okay, so if I just run this right now, it's gonna add 28 hello world. So instead of that, I'll just remove hello world and I'll make these two cells. The row number is gonna be I, that will be our variable. It changes every time it loops, and then the data that I want to come from is column number 2, and then row number is the variable. Okay, so if I run this now, you'll see that the name has been added. Okay, so all the names from here has been added here. So right now if we select anything, it doesn't pre-fill it, right? So autofill it. So I'm gonna associate the event to this. So right click and then view code, and then if you don't see combo box underscore change, you go here, first select the combo box 1, and then you select change. Okay, then you'll get this code here, or you can simply copy and paste this. So as soon as anything changes, we want the other code to run and pre-fill these two boxes. So the first box is email address, is text box 1, and then text box 2 is the address. So going into the code, I'll say that so I'll say dim, or you can directly say me dot text box 1 dot value is equal to. So here, this is where you put in a function, a VLOOKUP function, or you can do, there are so many ways to accomplish this. Normally what I do is I use ADL codes to do this using SQL and all this, but the simplest way is to use a VLOOKUP function in for this. So I'll say the syntax is application dot worksheet function dot VLOOKUP, and then what we want to look up is the combo box 1 value. So me dot combo box 1 dot value. Okay, I want to look that up, and then I want to look it up from column number B till N in data sample tab. Okay, sheet. So I'll say sheets, and then I'll say data sample dot range from B2 till B2 is here, and then till N 20. Since we have a data added till row number 28, let's do that for now, so you can make it more dynamic later on. So 28, row number 28, and then after that I want to get first we want to get the email address. So the email address is located in index number 10, so I'll just say 10, and then I want the exact match. Okay, so for example, if I run this right now and excuse me, if I select James, I want jbot@gmail.com, right? So select James, so here you have the email address. So let's try the other one. If I select Lena, we want this particular email address, so Lena, and you have that email address. So similarly, I'll just go here, I'll copy this whole thing, replicate it. I'll just say text box 2 is equal to this lookup function, and the index I want to return is the address. So it's 4 starting from B, so the email address is located in the 4th table index basically. So I'll say instead of 10, I'll make it 4. So first one is for the name, the email address, and then the second one is for the name address, sorry, just the address. So if I run this now, this combo box gets pre-filled by the names, and then as soon as I select the name, so let me select the name which is down here, so Alicia. So if I go down here, Alicia, and then you'll see the email address is Alicia. It's in 3273, right? So state 3. So this is how you can use the event in the user form to make autofill for you when you change one thing in the combo box. Okay, so I hope you found this informative. If you have any additional questions, any one of you following us, please feel free to post your questions or comments in the video as well as in the discussion tab. We'll try to look at it and come back to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.